Today, I'm super excited to do a quick unboxing of my brand new iPhone 17 Pro. I picked this up in the silver color in the 512 gig version. I bought this directly at the Apple Store for $1,300, but I financed it using the Apple Card, so it's 0% financing for the next 2 years. That's a lot of money for a brand new iPhone. And to be honest with you guys, I started off with the iPhone 17, not the Pro version that I'm holding here, but I decided after I bought that one, I was like, I'm a content creator. I better go back and get the Pro so I can get all the capabilities of the camera so I can shoot amazing videos for you guys using this thing right here. Let's get this out of the box and I'll give you guys my initial impressions. All right, let's go ahead and do this, get this thing out of the box. I'm super excited for this phone. This is the most I've ever spent on a brand new phone, so I am a little bit stressed out with this. I'm immediately gonna be putting a case on this thing, and I do have the Apple protection plan for $13.99 a month. Moment of truth. So here is the iPhone 17 Pro, guys. Gonna have the best camera capabilities with this thing, hopefully. I am gonna be doing a more in-depth review of the phone here and the cameras specifically. I actually have the iPhone 17 that I'm recording with right now, and I am going to be doing a comparison between the two to really see if the Pro is worth the extra money. I actually, between the 17 and the Pro that I'm holding here, it's an extra $300, so it's definitely a big jump if you guys decide to pick up the Pro. Go ahead and take a look at this screen and boot this thing on. Oh yeah, so really similar so far to the iPhone 17. I would say it's definitely got a little bit more weight to it, and I think that's gonna be because of the camera here. This thing has a little bit better battery life and a better processor in it as well, so I'm expecting it to be really fast and hold a charge for a really long time. Let's get this thing on. And let me know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. I'm coming from an iPhone 11, so it's definitely gonna be a major upgrade for me. But if you guys have like the 14, the 15, or even the 16, is it really worth upgrading to one of these new iPhones, guys? I just really wouldn't be able to justify that in my own life, but you guys let me know what you think down below in the comments. All right, the traditional hello from the new iPhone. And there we go. Select English, United States. Then once I get to actually setting up this phone, that's going to be it for today, because you guys are not allowed to see my personal information. So since I have everything on my iPhone 17 that I'm actually going to be returning to the Apple Store, what I'm going to do is get everything transferred over to this phone. And again, I bought this phone directly from the Apple Store. So the benefit to that is going to be this is a completely unlocked phone, meaning I can choose or change carriers at any point I want. And this is not financed through Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile or something. So that just gives me a little bit extra freedom. And honestly, it was cheaper to buy the phone directly through Apple. Just select a carrier, and then what I'm going to do is cancel that carrier. I bought this using Boost Mobile, but I'm just going to cancel immediately and then go ahead and switch over to Spectrum, and they have my number, and I'll get everything set up that way. And Boost really can't do anything because the phone from the Apple Store is completely unlocked and it's not financed through Boost Mobile. Then I almost forgot, this is also going to come with the cable, and I already bought a Type-C brick to go along with this, but I picked that up at Walmart because it was a little bit cheaper than the Apple Store. So So just a normal Type-C cable right here.
All right, guys, here is the brand new iPhone 17 Pro. This thing looks really cool. I'm hoping for a lot out of the camera. I'm gonna be doing an in-depth comparison between the normal iPhone 17 and the iPhone 17 Pro for you guys really soon here. I'm really excited to compare the cameras on both of the iPhone models this year and see if this thing is really worth the price jump or not. If you guys have any questions about exactly how I purchased this phone and what I'm going to be doing on my own, leave them down below in the comments and I will definitely help you guys out for free. That's going to be it for today, and I'll see you guys in another video soon.